Toyota of Boerne. That's my right hand man Gomez. Doing the Toyota of Boerne in Boerne, Texas. We coming out of San Antonio. Got to do all these cars, make them look nice and shiny. Was good to my boss man, Mr. Nick, CEO D2 Hydro Wash. You want y'all's car washed and quality? Holla at my boy Nick, D2 Hydro Wash. That's Sam right there, all swole and everything, all tatted up, tatted out the game, the spur. And it's me right here. My name's Robert from D2 Hydro Wash. I've been here 3 years. Just doing my thing, you know what I'm saying, and making my boss money, you know what I'm saying, time and money. You know, what to do to Mr. Nick De La Rosa from D2 Hydro Wash. What to do. These are already washed already, as you can see. Nice and shiny. D2 Hydro Wash. Got 2 hotsies. Our spinner. And those other cars, we did those cars over there also. They're nice and shiny and clean. We got to do all those over there. D2 Hydro Wash out of San Antonio, Texas. Leave the pressure to us.